Entry Doors Installation in Sumter, SC is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and security. Our team specializes in front door replacement Sumter, offering a wide range of options, including custom entry doors Sumter to suit your style and needs. Whether you prefer wooden entry doors, Sumter for a classic look, or steel entry doors, Sumter for added security, we have the perfect solution for you. Energy-efficient doors. Sumter are becoming increasingly popular among environmentally conscious homeowners. Our selection includes fiberglass entry doors Sumter, which provide excellent insulation and durability. By choosing energy-efficient doors, you can reduce your energy bills and contribute to a greener environment. Our residential door services Sumter ensure that your home is both stylish and sustainable. For businesses, commercial entry doors. Sumter are essential for creating a professional and welcoming entrance. We offer door hardware installation Sumter to ensure your doors are functional and secure. Our entry door maintenance Sumter services keep your doors in top condition, preventing costly replacements and ensuring smooth operation. Door replacement services Sumter are available for those unexpected issues that can arise with entry doors. Our experts can handle door frame replacement Sumter, ensuring your doors are properly aligned and secure. We also offer storm doors Sumter to protect your entryways from harsh weather conditions, providing an additional layer of security and insulation. Patio doors. Sumter and sliding entry doors. Sumter are perfect for those looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. Our French entry doors. Sumter add elegance and charm to any home, while also providing easy access to your patio or garden. Entry door security. Sumter is a top priority, and we offer a range of solutions to keep your home safe. Door weather stripping. Sumter is an essential service for improving energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Our entry door customization Sumter options allow you to personalize your doors with unique designs and finishes. We also provide door painting services Sumter to refresh the look of your entryways and match your home's aesthetic. Entry door consultation. Sumter is available for those unsure of which door options best suit their needs. Our door design services. Sumter help you create a cohesive look for your home, while our entry door upgrades Sumter ensure your doors are up to date with the latest features and technology. Entry door accessories. Sumter, such as handles and locks, add the finishing touches to your entryway. In Sumter, South Carolina, our team is dedicated to providing top-quality entry door services. From installation to maintenance, we cover all aspects of door care. Whether you're looking for a simple front door replacement or a complete entry door overhaul, we have the expertise and products to meet your needs. Contact us today for all your entry door needs in Sumter, SC.